Hey everybody, William Campbell here at MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to go over a 2021 16 Super Sport. Right in the back we have a swim platform with a swing down stainless steel ladder so you get in and off the boat while it's in the water. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 90 horsepower. I'll go over here, you have twin 6-gallon gas tanks. You have an optional 19-gallon that you get installed on the boat. Right at the helm area, you have a stainless steel steering wheel, your nav and anchor light controls. You also have a lockable storage with a seal, so you can store your phone, wallet, keep everything dry while you're on the boat. On the bow of the boat, you have an anchor locker, also storage. Also in the middle of the boat, you have a built-in cooler. Also you can use as storage. And also this boat does come equipped with a trailer that has a swing tongue, so you can store it in pretty much any garage. If you have any more questions of this boat or any other boats, you can call me at 813-414-3217. Thank you.